Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're here at the pine tree again. This is the fourth video to come off of it, and the date is August the 13th, Friday the 13th, and it is about 2:30. It is 91 degrees out here with a heat factor of 101, partly cloudy, wind blowing at about 5 miles an hour. If you're where it's blowing, I'm not where it's blowing. But we're going to go into this hive here. Last time, y'all remember, it had a whole bunch of beetles in it. And this is our little experimental hive for beetles. I went into it yesterday, the video didn't work out, but I saw very few beetles. So we're going to go into today, put them in a bigger box. I shouldn't have said that. We're going to go in today and see how big they are, see if they need a bigger box. Seeing how we know that they need a bigger box, we're going to take it, this one, and just slide it over. Oh, I wanted to show you something else too. Here they are, washboardings. I'm on a tripod here, folks, and I ain't that good with a tripod yet. But they're sitting here washboarding. A lot of people say they don't know why they come out and washboard. I kind of figure it's like this. It's like kids. If you got a bunch of kids and they're bored and they say, I don't want to do this or whatever else, you just find them something else to do. Ask my kids. I used to put them into woods raking. Lost a lot of rakes that way. But anyway, that's them. We're going to see if we can't keep the camera in the right place this time. If my little knobbies stay where they're supposed to be. But okay, we're going to take all this. Get our washboarders out of the way. Come on. Move the water dish. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Put my bottom over here, which y'all can't see. We're going to make it bigger to where y'all can see it all. There we go. Yep. This one has a blue queen. And we're going to put a box here. We're not going to use this box. We're going to use that box. It's pretty clean. Put our board under it, which is going to pick it up. Move the water dish again. Get the bottom straight. Okay. Okay. And we're going to take the stop off. And we're going to stick it here so we can get them put in right. I think yesterday the queen was in the top. Oh, mercy. Y'all can remember it had a whole bunch of beetles in it. And if you didn't see it, you need to go back and watch the pine tree ones. 1, 2, and 3, and you can see how many beetles is in it. It's got a lot of bees. I can just remember to change it later. Okay. And there's the blue queen. That's the finger. Get this out of the way maybe, huh? Yeah. There's the blue queen. There she is. Blue queen. In the top. On the outside. See, no beetles. She wasn't in the top yesterday. She's in the bottom today, which is a good thing. That one's full of brood and eggs. Baby's hatching. And no beetles. This is the beetle trap that we put in there when they came. They came next, it took them a couple more days. But that's a beetle trap. It's got some mineral oil in it, which is vitamins. And it has, looks like about 8 beetles in it. Put this one over here. We're going to take this and put it out of the way. Right there. This one, it has eggs and brood, larvae, little nectar, not much. Same thing on that side. Cut some of this propolis off here. We put it right there. Forgot to do something. This one is laid up full. On both sides. No beetles. One beetle on the wall, being chased by a baby bee. We forgot to put the Swiffer sheet in this one, or I forgot to put the Swiffer sheet. Y'all remember last time how we put it down. Put staples in it. Because if you don't, the bees will move. Okay. We take this box. Off. So far we've seen one beetle. Y'all remember the bottom on the last with all the beetles? I mean, they were all the way up on the top. Now this is the bottom one. We put the Swiffer heat on it, and it's got beetles in it. One. But the beetles get stuck in the Swiffer sheet, and they can't get out. Now some beetles or bees, like a few of these over here, they get attached. You got beetles here, here, here. Live one underneath it there. Got the bees are working on. Pull these staples out. It doesn't catch all the beetles, but it will stop quite a bit of them. But it gives the bees a place to put them. They put them underneath the Swiffer sheet.